What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got this neon skull recreation, and I will leave the original video in the description box below. But if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, let's get into this look. So I did attempt this look last year, but your girl just didn't have none of the right equipment, really, none of the right makeup, none of it, probably not even the skill set really. But I did go to Michael's this year and decided to get some cheap alternatives to the makeup I was trying to use last year, and I got these neon paints. So this one is actually a glow in the dark paint, and I'm guessing it's like a bonus one. I don't know, it's a value pack, but it's a 6-pack of like these neon paints. So I will be using this in conjunction with like some eyeshadows and stuff. So I'm going to mainly stick with like the James Charles palette and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette because they have more of the neon pigments. But if I dabble in any other palettes, I'll let you guys know. But those will be the main 2 palettes that I use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started in this look. It's a recreation. I'll leave the original video that I'm following down below. But yeah, I'm just gonna follow a photo, and I'm using my laptop right here. So I'm gonna be looking between my laptop and then my mirror right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I also took out my braids because sis, my braids be looking real raggedy because I have a lot of broken hair around my, edge line. And I also dyed my hair back black because I got some extensions coming and they about to look real fire. But period, that's not what we're here for. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started in this look because it's gonna take me a minute and it's already late. Okay guys, so here I am just doing a basic black smoky eye using the black from the James Charles palette and just a regular old schmegular blending brush. You don't really have to go too intricate on this section because literally it's just a black smoky eye. So make sure you do it to your eye shape. I have hooded eyes, so that's why my smoky eye goes a little far up. But make it do what it do and do it how you want to do it. Right here I am taking the NYX white jumbo pencil and I am just making the outline for my skull. You can probably get away with using like a white pomade from Kat Von D or ABH, but this is what I had on hand and it was mad cheap, period. So yeah, you can use that, and as you can see I'm just drawing the outline, and you want to kind of draw it thick, that way when you put the shadows on, like they'll have something to grab onto and they'll be more pigmented and more bright. Here guys, I am taking various colors from the James Charles palette and just packing them on. Like I said, you want to make the white NYX jumbo pencil thick so that they have something to grab onto and so that the colors will be vibrant. And just know that the pink is going to stain, sis. The pink and the purple in this palette is going to stain your skin. So I do what you can do to prevent that, but I didn't, and it is what it is. I am using the neon paints that I showed you guys from Michael's to fill it in. And I will say, this should be like, you know, obvious, but use the colors as you have them and not as I'm doing it, because I was able to blend the colors better just using them in the sequence that I applied them on my face. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. This wig is from Candy Lover 89, and the paints that I use on my face to get the neon color is just from, it's an acrylic neon paint, and it's washable or watercolor, whatever, I don't know, but you can get it from Michael's because that's where I got it from. The contacts are from Kazoo, and I'll leave those in the description box below. You can still see out of them, but it's like really blurry. Actually, it's lightweight, pretty cool. Like, I'm trying to look around with them right now because it's like actually pretty cool once you get used to it, but like at first it's a little scary because you can't see. So I think the look came out, you know, pretty good. I couldn't get it to come out good last year, and for this to actually come out good, because like the earlier clips in the video, like you could see I was wearing something different because that was yesterday and this is today, because I got exhausted trying to do this. So when you do this look, make sure you take at least 2 to 3 hours where no one's bothering you and you can actually do this look to get it to come out the way you want it to. And I'm not like the most technically challenged when it comes to like blending colors and stuff, so like, hold up. So like, it took me a minute to do everything, but I do think it came out bomb. And it looks really pretty. This, I can't tell if I got something in my eye because I can't see y'all. Alright, whatever, y'all get the point. Follow your girl on Instagram at Aundrealee. That is with 3 E's. That will also be in the description box below. Yeah, I definitely got some in my eye. Hold up. And subscribe, sis, if you're new. You know, I'm bringing y'all that banger content for Halloween this month and every month after that. but especially this month, I'm really honing in on my skills. And you know, just I want to see y'all come back to the next video. So I'm starting to like whisper. I don't know why. Maybe it's because my kids down here. I don't know. But I will see you guys in the next video. Give this video a like if you really liked it and enjoyed it. It's a whole look, sis, period. And yeah. Hey, bye guys.